In this video, we'll talk about the best staking platform in my opinion when you compare the ratio between profitability and barrier of entry. How newbies do you need to be to actually use the platform? RSTAKING brings you exactly that. I'll show you have a demo account for everything you need, and I'll show you how to stake $5 and $1,000. They actually have most of the chains that you want to use, except Solana. You don't want to use that one. They pretty much have 9 networks and 200 tokens on their website. When we go here right on the website, you can see Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum Chain, Tron, Bitcoin, Ripple, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Dash, Bitcoin Cash. We'll talk about it, but before we start, keep in mind that the video is no financial advice, just a random dude on the internet. Slap the like button and let's talk about the RSTAKING platform. So right now, as you can see, it's very easy to use. I've logged in on the account, and the first thing you notice is the staking app is basically part of their ecosystem. They have a whole ecosystem built around the project. They have Rhino token, NFT, mobile, so on. They have real utility behind the project. The idea is that you will receive stable rewards paired with BUSD, BEP20, and Tether. They pretty much have 25% APR per year on all tokens and crypto coins. Rewards are accrued every 3 hours, so it's very easy to if you just have some money sitting in just like me and you're waiting for some positions on some stuff, you have some alerts set on big crashes, big dumps, or big pumps to actually take action. It's very simple to use the platform and then transfer in and out when you need to. It's very simple to use. I'll just show you how I'll deposit $1,000 of USDT on it. So you basically sign up, takes very little time. There's also some bonuses, which I'll talk about in a little bit. You sign up, type in the amount, for example, in the currency, obviously USDT is what I prefer. USDT or BUSD is what I keep most of my money in when I'm waiting for positions. Also have some USDC. Then you select 1 day, 7 day, 30 day, 180 days, or 1 year. 1 year is basically here it is. So if you have 1,000, you make 250 BUSD or 25% in a year. In 7 days, if you're just waiting a little bit, you can make $5. A really nice McDonald's menu in most countries for just some money sitting there. The more money I have at the end of the week, the more money I can use for cumulative profits when I'm buying into good positions. Here it is. As you can see, the minimum amount is $5, so there's no barrier of entry. Pretty much it's very simple again to use. You have the ROI calculator. Users can close staking at any time. This is the main thing again. So this is targeting people that are afraid of no locking periods for years on years and years on years. Also targeting traders that have money sitting around waiting for good opportunity. There's no KYC, which is very important for most of us. There's no maximum withdrawal limit. And RSTAKING gives $5 bonus to every new users. This is credited with their tokens, and you can check it out in a link in the description down below. We'll go over the white paper a little bit. From what I understand, they have the Spanish and English version. Here it is, their official website, list of official mirror for different countries. That's really good that they have those. Probably good for SEO as well. RSTAKING is a crypto ecosystem that provides proof of stake in all coins and pairs. Here, they're the world's first DE app that allows users to earn rewards in stable BUSD, BEP20, and Tether. 130 secure servers, 25 countries. I'll leave all the information down below. What I want you to do after the video is do a little research. Oh, check the roadmap. They pretty much did everything until 20th of September. We're waiting for this step, so we'll see how that goes. They also have the our mobile and a few other stuff we're waiting for. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. See you next one. Love you guys. Bye.